Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The project title is A Methodology for Direct and Indirect Discrimination Prevention in Data Mining. Now going to explain the project. In this project, the main objective is to provide a methodology to prevent both direct and indirect discrimination. Now going to explain abstract. Nowadays, there is a vast amounts of data are available in the net. Those are collected, stored and processed for variety of administrative and governmental decisions, but they may lead to unwanted or unjustified selections and gives discriminated result. In existing method, there is a methodology only for direct or for indirect discrimination prevention. In proposed system, the methodology is developed for providing prevention for both direct and indirect discrimination. Now going to explain data flow diagram. The process starts with considering the adult dataset. After that, have to apply the dataset for pre-processing process. In pre-processing, we are removing unwanted data and stored in database for further process. After that, have to measure the discrimination in terms of support and confidence values. Then, based on that, the utilities can be calculated. Based on the utility calculation, the data is transformed. It's called the data prevention process. Finally, we can publish the data as a transformed data, which was printed in a step-by-step process. Have to wait for this process. Now the data are loaded into the database. By clicking show button, we can view the loaded database contents. Then going to start the pre-processing process. First get the raw dataset, then start the pre-processing process. In pre-processing, there is two steps. First convert the null symbols into the null characters, then remove the null characters. Finally, pre-processing process successfully finished. We can view the pre-processed dataset. It won't contain any symbols like this. Then I'm going to consider four datas A, B, C and D. Using the attributes sensitive or non-sensitive. By clicking this buttons, we get the distinct contents available in the shown attribute age, race and sex. By clicking this, get the distinct race and distinct sex categories. Then going to calculate the support and confidence here for this. Then going to get B data, distinct work class and occupation attributes. Then going to calculate the support and confidence for the B data. Then going to get C and D data, where C data is nothing but class attribute and D data is education, native country and hospital week. First get those values and going to calculate the confidence for the D data and also for C data. It takes some meanwhile time to calculate those things. Then going to evaluate. First of all, successfully calculate those values. In here view, these are the formulas used to calculate those results using the methods. Now going to show the transform dataset. This is the given dataset, and by pressing transform dataset, we get the transformed result. For example, here we can view that male will be converted into female, and in race area, the white is converted into black, like those. Finally, to get the performance evaluation in terms of information loss ratio, here based on the information loss and the threshold value, we get the graph with a discrimination transformation, without discrimination prevention.